My name's John Erickson, 6 feet tall. I live in Los Angeles, California. I'm wearing one of my dad's army shirts. He's got many. He served in the army during the Vietnam War era. Doesn't talk about it much, but I know from what I've heard, it's a very serious time. While I was growing up, a lot of my friends, neighbors, fought for our country overseas. A lot of them have changed as a result. They don't talk about it much. I think this is a very important project. I appreciate you inviting me to audition for it. Do not have any DD 214 paperwork. Thank you.